In this video, we unbox the Joso Wi-Fi Smart Socket. Alexa, let's roll.
It's DADvinci time.
Okay, so it's unboxing time. This is the Joso Wi-Fi Smart Socket. We've got the various configs it comes with on the side. It's obviously available, or the app that comes with this is available on the App Store, Google Play, and this also works with Amazon Alexa. We've got a long list of specifications on the side, but again the important one to remember is this plug works with the 2.4 gigahertz network band. It gives you various other details on there. Obviously the important stuff is the rated voltage as well, which is 100 volts to 240 AC, but this is a UK plug, so it has a UK plug socket, which we'll see in a minute, and the rated current there as well gives you an idea of how many watts you can actually put through this. And there are the security details on there, the working temperature, and various other bits about weight, and it's made in China. It has phone control and a timing switch function on it as well. So let's get on with opening this up now. Okay, so the first thing we get in here is the user manual. So again, this one's quite handy as well because it just has the QR code to download the app for this one. As you can see, there's quite a lot here. This is control eFamilyCloud devices with Alexa instructions as well. So that's the details there to download. It's quite extensive. And also comes with different languages there as well. So we'll leave that on there. We've got a little card promoting the brand as well. And now for the plug itself. So it's made out of ABS plastic, I believe, so it's quite robust. It's quite strong. We've got the details, if you can see those on the back there, which again specifies the voltage and also tells you maximum power on this is 2000 watts, so that's effectively 2 kilowatts. Again, this is the UK version, so we've got the on-off button on the top. So the app that comes with this one is called eFamilyCloud. I'm not actually going to use that just to quickly test this plug's working okay. I'm going to use the Smart Life app. Don't worry, both the links to both of these will be in the description below this video, but I'm going to do a quick test now to make sure that it works on one of my filming lights, which is what I usually do when I'm testing smart plugs. Time to plug in now and just check it's all working and get it set up in the Smart Life app. Again, I'm going against tradition with the one that comes with the smart plug, but we're going to try it that way. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but that is actually flashing as soon as I've plugged it in, about twice a second, which is what you need to do the hookup. So if you want the full show of how you actually set this particular thing up, then there's a video being suggested currently in the top corner, and that will give you details on how to set the plugs up using the Smart Life app. But I'm just going to go ahead now and set this up and give it a name so we can just show you a quick test. So the good news is, as you can see on there, that the device added successfully in the Smart Life app, which is great. And I've also taken the liberty of renaming it Studio Light. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a done on that one. And I'm just going to swap over one of my lights, which I'll show you as I do it now. So that light's gone off, which is one of my filming lights. I'm going to plug it into the device there, and then we actually have the studio light that's just come on there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch it on, and there we have it. Instant response, and it's working perfectly. So that's working perfectly in the Smart Life app. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring Alexa over. Unmute her because I keep setting her off. Alexa, turn on studio light. And there you have it. And it's also come on in the Smart Life app as well. So I was quite lucky with that one because Alexa actually found the device straight away as soon as I hooked it up. And as you can see, we'll do the manual test as well. And this one's actually quite one of the responsive plugs, if I'm honest. So that works first time. Brilliant. So there you have it. All the links from today's video are in the description below. Add some comments on there on what you'd like to see on our channel. Alexa, we're finished.
We hope you liked our video. Please give a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned to DADvinci.